As a program management expert, understanding where a company's core operations are based provides valuable insights into its strategic direction, its talent pool, and how it manages its global footprint. When it comes to cloud-based accounting software like FreshBooks, knowing their headquarters helps us appreciate the intricate program management involved in delivering a seamless service to millions worldwide. So, let's address the question directly. FreshBooks headquarters are located in Toronto, Canada. While this provides the central answer, it's essential to delve deeper into what headquarters signifies for a modern tech company like FreshBooks, especially from a program management perspective. It's not just a single building. It represents the nerve center for a complex set of operations that span continents. The significance of a headquarters for a global SaaS company. For a software-as-a-service, SaaS company like FreshBooks, the headquarters plays a critical role beyond just being a physical address. It's the strategic hub where executive leadership resides. Key decision-makers, including the CEO, CTO, CFO, and other C-suite executives, are typically based at the headquarters. This co-location facilitates efficient communication, strategic planning, and rapid decision-making, which are paramount in agile program management. Core product development is orchestrated. While engineering teams might be distributed, the overarching product strategy, roadmap development, and often a significant portion of the core engineering and design teams are coordinated from the headquarters. This ensures consistency in product vision and execution. Centralized Program Management Office, PMO functions. A strong PMO, or similar strategic oversight, often operates from the headquarters. This office is responsible for setting standards, defining processes, and providing governance for all major programs and projects across the company. This ensures that even with distributed teams, there's a unified approach to project delivery. Global operations are managed. From customer support to sales and marketing strategies, the headquarters oversees the global operational framework. This involves managing various regional teams and ensuring that local market needs are met while maintaining brand consistency. Talent acquisition and culture setting. The headquarters often leads efforts in defining the company culture and spearheading major talent acquisition initiatives. For a tech company, attracting and retaining top talent is a continuous program in itself. Beyond Toronto, FreshBooks' global footprint. While Toronto serves as the primary hub, FreshBooks, like many successful SaaS companies, operates with a global perspective. This means they have a distributed workforce and additional office locations to support their international customer base and tap into diverse talent pools. Their operations extend to North America. In addition to Toronto, FreshBooks has offices in the United States, including cities like Raleigh, North Carolina, and San Antonio, Texas. These offices likely support sales, customer service, and potentially specific development teams catering to the large U.S. market. Europe. FreshBooks has a presence in Europe, with an office in Amsterdam, Netherlands, and another in Zagreb, Croatia. Having a European presence is crucial for serving customers within the EU, understanding local regulations, like GDPR and specific tax compliance, and providing localized support. Latin America. They also have an office in San Luis Potosí, Mexico. This indicates their commitment to serving the Latin American market and potentially leveraging a diverse talent pool for development or support. Australia. While not explicitly listed as a separate office in all public records, FreshBooks certainly has a significant customer base and operational focus in Australia, often reflected in their localized website versions and support. This geographical distribution highlights sophisticated program management strategies. Managing teams across different time zones, cultures, and regulatory environments requires robust communication channels. Implementing effective tools and practices for synchronous and asynchronous communication is vital. Think about regular video conferences, shared project management platforms, and clear documentation. Standardized processes with local adaptation core program methodologies like Agile frameworks, Scrum, Kanban, are likely standardized across all locations. However, these frameworks must be flexible enough to adapt to local customs, legal requirements, and market nuances. Cross-functional collaboration programs. Programs often involve teams from multiple locations, A strong program manager ensures that these cross-functional teams collaborate seamlessly, share knowledge, and work towards common objectives, regardless of their physical location. Talent management and development programs. Recruiting, onboarding, and developing talent across different regions requires dedicated programs that address local labor laws, cultural differences, and growth opportunities. The evolution of a headquarter in the digital age. The concept of a headquarters has evolved significantly with the rise of remote work and global distributed teams. For a company like FreshBooks, which has been in operation since 2003, it has likely experienced this evolution firsthand. While Toronto remains its official and central location, a substantial portion of its workforce might be remote or distributed across various cities and countries. From a program management perspective, this shift presents both challenges and opportunities. Challenges: ensuring team cohesion, maintaining consistent culture, managing dependencies across dispersed teams, and overcoming communication barriers are constant challenges. Opportunities: access to a wider talent pool, increased resilience, less dependent on a single physical location, potential for 24/7 operations due to time zone differences, and reduced overhead costs associated with large physical offices. Effective program management in this environment involves proactive strategies for virtual team building, clear delineation of roles and responsibilities, continuous monitoring of project progress through digital tools, and a strong emphasis on outcomes rather than just presence. FreshBooks headquarters in Toronto, Canada, serves as the strategic brain of an organization that has grown to serve millions of small business owners and freelancers globally. It's a testament to effective program management that a company can expand its reach across North America, Europe, and Latin America while maintaining a unified product vision and delivering consistent customer experiences. Understanding the significance of this central hub, coupled with its global operational footprint, offers valuable lessons for anyone interested in the intricacies of managing programs and projects within a thriving international technology company.